All right, come here.
I hope I don't get pink eye.
This is called Vogel smells the jar of farts. Explain to everybody why you have to smell the jar of farts.
Because I foolishly bet on Netherlands winning the World Cup.
Sam, you're gonna miss it.
Check this out.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
You're watching from there?
I guess I should turn off this fan.
Yeah.
When did you fart then?
Yesterday.
Bare-assed.
Deep.
Smells like ass. that smells like half weed, half fart.
Half weed and half ass.